Hey lovely people out there, how are you guys? Since I've been receiving so many DMs from people, basically teenager girls on Instagram, and they were asking me what I use on my face, how do I do makeup. So here I'm making my first makeup tutorial. So guys, please don't judge me on this video because I'm not a very hi-fi, makeup artist or a makeup influencer. I'm just a normal girl and I love experimenting new things on my face. So today I'm picking a very basic makeup which you can usually apply when you're going out with your friends, you're going out for a coffee, a restaurant, hanging out with your peeps. So right now you can see guys, I have applied nothing on my face. My face is completely nude. I have just applied a little bit of liner, nothing else. So first of all I'm starting with my eyes. Yeah, so this is liner and I love to give shape to my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are basically thick, so I don't need much of this eyebrow pencil to enhance my eyebrows, but I love thick and dark eyebrows. I don't like those thin eyebrows. It completely depends upon you. You want to keep your eyebrows thick, you want to keep them dark, or you want to just keep it thin. So as you can see, I've already applied my liner because it's quite difficult for me to apply liner and create a video and talk to you guys as well. So I've already applied liner. One tip I used to give you guys, that first of all, like you must have seen in many videos on internet and YouTube of makeup artists, that they first of all do your makeup, do your face, and then afterward they do your eyes. But I suggest you guys to first of all you should do your eye makeup and then you should do your face makeup. Yeah, so and one more tip I used to give you, one more tip I want to give you is that when you are applying your liner, it should be inwards to outwards, not from outwards to inward, because when you will do it from inwards to outwards, then you can create a very crease finishing, and it depends upon you. You want to keep it thick or you want to keep it thin, you want to do it winged, a cat eye, or whatever you want. Then I'm starting with my shadow. Shadow is also completely optional. You want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, you can avoid it literally. Today I'm picking a very light shade. It's a tangy yellow color which I'm using on my eyes. Yeah, and it's a summer makeup, so in summers, when you're going out in afternoon or evening, makeup should be minimum and it should be light. After that I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara on my eyelashes. I love mascara because mascara gives your eyes a very definite look and very fine look to your eyes. You can use kajal as well, but today I'm not using kajal on my eyes because I love my eyes this way only. Applying kajal is completely optional. You can use it or you can avoid it. After that, you can see my eyes are completely done. Now I'm coming to face. So first of all, I have just cleaned my face with rose water. I have applied nothing on my face till now. So I'm not applying anything on my face. You can use moisturizer or you can use aloe vera gel as a base on your skin. It's completely optional to you. I'm using first of all I'm using concealer to conceal my marks. As you can see, I have a little bit of pimples and pimples marks on my face, so I'm using this concealer to conceal my marks. One advice which I want to give you girls is that your skin tone should match your neck tone. It doesn't look like your neck is dark and your face is fair. Your neck tone should match your face tones. You must have seen many girls or women around that their face tone and their hands are completely different, you know. So that one thing tip which I want to give you guys. Then I'm using this MAC foundation, little bit of foundation on my skin. To give my skin a complete even tone. As some of us has a yellow tone, and some of basically Indian girls have a yellow tone and a pink tone on their cheeks. So you can apply any foundation, you can apply anything, but it should be smudged properly on your face. Under your eyes, on your nose, on your forehead. This foundation should completely absorb your skin. There should not be any patches, and there should not be any part of your skin that look uneven, like your forehead is completely fair and your cheeks are of different tone. So that thing you have to keep in mind, that each part of your face and each part of your neck should match each other. You can apply BB cream also, like if you guys are not into foundation, you guys can apply a Garnier BB cream. Usually I use my Garnier BB cream when I'm going to office or when I'm going out, but I'm just using this foundation to show you guys how does it look, how does it work. So after that, I'm coming to my compact, that is Maybelline New York compact, which I'm using today. This is a very basic makeup, guys. It doesn't have any hi-fi products or hi-fi things. It is just for teenager girls who are new to makeup and don't know from where to start and from where to end. I don't believe in applying a lot of makeup. In case like you are going out in sun and you don't want to apply makeup, you can just use your aloe vera gel, and after that you can apply your compact and you are just done. Now you can see, guys, my face is even and there are no marks and no blemishes, no scars are visible on my face. Yeah. So I love, as I've told you earlier as well, I love highlighters. Today I'm using this Master Chrome by Face Studio. It is of Maybelline only. I'm using a little bit of highlighter on my cheekbones. Basically, highlighter is used to highlight your, cheekbones, your features of your face. You can use this highlighter on your nose also, on your chin also, and a little bit on your forehead as well. Yeah. So guys, I'm not a blush person. I don't believe in blush and bronze, but sometime I apply it. You should keep in your mind that blush should be applied in a very minimum quantity, and it should complement your face. It doesn't look very weird on your face that your cheeks are highlighted in different way, like cheeks are red, and you should start from here and you should push it backward on your apples. Yeah. As I've already told you, it's a summer makeup. It is summer makeup, so it should not be a very heavy or very patchy. It's very decent kind of makeup. So I just want to show you guys. You can see it doesn't even look as I've applied makeup. It's so nude and so, you know. And for lipstick, you can choose any color, but as I've already told you, it's a summer makeup, so you can't go with wine or purple or red tones, red shades. Today I'm using is a Lakme. It's a coral date color. It's a very cute color, and you can apply it anytime, anywhere. You don't have to think twice before applying this shade because it's so matte and so light that so yeah, it's done. So this is my makeup look for you guys. You can go out applying this makeup. Today I am wearing this cute earrings which complements in the top. Also guys, I will if you want, I will mention the product details in the description. Also please comment and follow me and DM me how do you like my video, and if you want another video of another look, then kindly DM me. Thanks for watching guys.